Debt collectors. Did the first communication from a debt collector was legal notice? Is debt collectors dragging you to court? Are you being sued by a debt collector? Did they send the summons to the wrong address? Did they get a default judgment because you didn't go to court? Did you even get the summons? Were you served? These are the questions that I get every single day where people are asking, Doreen, I wasn't served by the debt collector. They got a default judgment. It got sent to the wrong address. They did not validate the debt. It just got put on my credit. The first thing that I get is a summons. Is this legal? Guys, so there's no right or wrong answers here. What is correct is what you do after you know. If you were not served, there was no due process. Therefore, there was no jurisdiction established. There was no jurisdiction, so the default judgment can be vacated, but you have to act fast. You have to go to the court and submit documentation to put in a motion for a vacate of default judgment based on lack of service. There's no jurisdiction, right? There's a lot of things you can do when it comes to debt collectors. I wish I could give you all the sauce in this very short video, but I can't. But if you are your family or your friends or anyone is being sued by a debt collector, this is the time for you to act. If you want to learn debt collection strategies, if you want to learn how to punch a debt collector in the throat, if you want to learn how to take your rights back, if you want to learn how to put your foot on them debt collectors' necks, I need y'all to click the link below because I got you. Forbidden AI Mastery course is going to teach you all the things you need to know how to, 1, get default or vacated judgments. 2, how to punch a debt collector in the throat. 3, the list goes on and on, guys. I could be here all day telling you about all the great stuff, but it's not all about the great stuff that I made. It's about the stuff that's going to help you get the debt collection deleted from your credit report, possibly get paid in court, move it to arbitration. There's so many different strategies I'm going to teach you. Different ways how you can just smack a debt collector across the face, then punch him right in the throat. Click the link below if you are ready to punch a debt collector in the throat.